Alright everyone, how you all doing? Welcome back today to another video. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day. This is like bulking version because I'm pretty sure sooner or later at some point I will be cutting. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I eat throughout the day. The thing is, it always varies as to what I actually eat. Sometimes I'll eat complete crap, like not as much protein as I want, but I'm going to give you like a good day of eating. Like I'm going to eat a lot of like high protein meals. I've never done one of these, but I thought it'd be good for the channel because obviously I like to eat on my channel and I do fitness, so it kind of works out. Alright guys, before the video begins, smash a quick like, it means so much, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell if you haven't already as well. Thank you. So yeah, just in case any of you are wondering what I eat in a day, probably absolutely no one, but some people might have clicked on this video and never come across my channel, so this might help them bulk. So the thing is of bulking, obviously number one thing is protein. Calories not as much, because you can go and eat like 3,000 calories worth of crisps, you know, and that's gonna do nothing for your gains. Part of bulking is you will probably put on some weight like around the waist, and that doesn't matter because it will be cut out as soon as you start cutting, you know. Also alcohol, I realized alcohol actually for me personally, especially beers, because obviously like most days I'd have like a couple beers. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, they just go straight to your belly really. So I woke up about 8 o'clock. I just have a coffee now. Most days I would have a coffee. Believe it or not, another nice day in England. It is fucking mental. I'll probably have some lunch and I'll probably have some breakfast at about 10 o'clock in like an hour or something. See, sometimes I would just wake up, have like a bit of toast and peanut butter, because obviously sometimes when you wake up you don't fancy eating straight away, if you know what I mean. I can't be the only one.
Let me know in the comments if you can relate.
Sometimes you just don't fancy eating straight away. So obviously you're still waking up, you're a bit of a zombie, and yeah, I mean I might have to go Sainsbury's, even then that's good for this video. So yeah, this is like a full day of eating slash what I eat in a day for bulking. Let's get it. Right guys, so here it is. I mean look, like I said, every day, you know, you probably eat something different. Sometimes I don't eat breakfast and stuff like that, but just to roughly show you, like, you know, you could have beans on toast with eggs, you could have loads of beans on toast, you could have, you know, anything really. But so 3 bits of bacon and 15 grams of protein. I was going to do more, but obviously I want to keep a bit, you know, for my family or whatever. I don't want to be too greedy, because obviously like I said, I didn't go shop and buy stuff for this. And then 3 medium to large eggs, like 6 grams each. I thought eggs would be higher protein, but so yeah, there's about 16 grams of protein with that, so that's like 31 grams of protein. And you got some carbs from the bread. Also, obviously the oil, you got some calories in that from when doing the eggs. I didn't know what eggs to do because I was like, damn, I haven't done omelette in ages, and I thought it'd hold really well like in the sandwich, because sometimes like just scrambled eggs, you try to chuck them in a sandwich, it just doesn't hold so well. Yeah, 31 gram protein meal, and then butter's really important as well, guys. Just get them extra calories in. Some really fancy bread as well. And then on top of that, I mean, like, obviously I cut the omelette so that it would fit better in the sandwich, but obviously the rest here, I'm obviously just going to eat that with a knife and fork, you know. And then on top of all that, yeah, just guys, just try to get any little extra calories you can in. I don't just mean eat calories. Obviously the aim is to eat more calories, but most of it needs to be protein, you know. But also in the sandwich, put some ketchup in there, extra calories. You know, like hell, like you could have like a whole fry up if you wanted to. You know, some people have like a massive fry up, they might be full for the rest of the day, you know. But I'm trying to do like a 3 meal day. It's currently 11 o'clock. Can't go wrong with some bacon. I'm gonna go work out after this. Well, obviously gonna let the stomach settle a bit. Hit some chest because my chest needs working on. And then we'll come back for some lunch. We had like a roast yesterday. Here's the thing that's helping me bulk as well. We have like 2 or 3 roasts a week. That is how you bulk, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we'll have the meat, we'll have the potatoes, we'll have a bunch of veg, stuffing balls, stuff like that. And yesterday we had one, we had pigs in blankets too. So I might do like a just eating a roast video. That might be quite good. But yeah, we got a bunch of leftover chicken because we cooked 2 chickens. So obviously got loads left. So I'm just gonna use that up as well. That's kind of protein, some chicken. All right, I'll come back to you guys in a bit. Yeah. What the fuck? Alright guys, I'm nearly done with working out. I just showed like one of each thing that I was doing, but that's not even the main part of the video. I'm showing you what I'm bloody eating. But yeah, I just put some chicken in. Let me show you real quick. Alright guys, what's good? Just finished my workout. It's weird because I'm recording things in other places, but like every time you see me, it's like just me sat here. Damn, it's 2:30, so I'm eating pretty late. See, obviously if I wasn't working out, obviously I would have eaten a lot earlier. But yeah, here's the thing guys about this, it's like so many different options and different things to do. Like, yeah, so I just saw there was chicken in the freezer. I was like, I might as well use it up, because no one else is. So basically they said cook for 50 minutes. So obviously the thighs cook 50 minutes perfect, but the wings, yeah, so they're a bit overcooked, so it might look like a bit less chicken, but it's what I did. I shredded all the chicken, I just took them off the bone, and then basically, I mean, you don't have to do this, but I think it's really good if you're bulking. Whack it all in a pan, so chuck the rice in the pan, and the chicken in the pan, you know, like a bit of olive oil, and also a bit of butter, just once again, that extra little bit of calories, you know, a bit of carbs, bit of fat, and a bit of protein. And then there, yeah, you know, from there, like just heat it up for a minute or two, like just mixing it all together just gets the juices out of the chicken and stuff like that. So it just makes it more flavorful. Oh yeah, here it is. It's not, it looks like shit because like it's mushroom rice. Hey guys, I'll probably do quite a few of these because like this is just me doing it like unprepared. Like, yeah, I don't know. So I'll go Sainsbury's. I'll probably do a few more of these whilst I'm bulking, just because I think it's quite interesting. I'll just show you like the variety of things you can have. But yeah, I overdid the wings a fair bit, which is a bit annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and I'll catch you guys later for dinner, which I think is something similar. But yeah, I'll put up on screen how much protein it is, because I forgot to actually check how much it is, but this is at least a 50 gram protein meal. But yeah, I'll come back to you after, because I put in like 6-7 wings, and then these 3 wings I'm just gonna eat how they come. Then I had 1 thigh, which a thigh is like 20-30 grams already on its own, and the rice is like 10 grams of protein. So you guys, I'll come back to you in a little bit later when I eat dinner. And I keep forgetting to mention again, the skin obviously comes on the chicken. It's up to you if you take it off or not, but I like to keep it on, just that extra flavour. All right, that was decent, that was really decent. These are like onion ring crisps. They're from Sainsbury's. They're very Moorish. They're actually very nice. So labby with some beer, but I'm not having any beer. And a sausage roll, just because why not? I usually like to eat something and wash it down with. Like, I used to drink these all the time. Like, I used to have like 1 a day, which you can't be doing. It's just a bit grim. But so like for me, like I realised like, damn, I really gotta eat like to bulk. Like I'm a lot bigger than I was. I wish I could show you guys like a picture or something of when like 2 years ago or something. I was like really thin, like, and I didn't even realise it because obviously in the moment you don't really think about it. You're like, oh yeah, I lost some weight. But yeah, man, it's all part of the bulk. Even if you get a bit of fat, you get a bit of fat, you know. On top of that, you know, you can have some snacks. Like I said, everyone, it just depends who you are. Everyone's different. Some people might not need snacks and stuff like that, but yeah. Dinner time, dinner time. I'm doing pasta and this whole pack of diced chicken. This shit has a load of protein in it. If you can manage to eat all of it at once, you're laughing. Per 100 grams, this whole thing's 410 grams. So that is 100 grams of protein. Ladies and gentlemen, right here is about 125 grams of protein. So already I've eaten way too much for today. I know it's just weird like that, obviously because I'm trying to show you like how I bulk and that. So yeah, extra calories again, some cheese on there, some barbecue sauce. I think cheese and barbecue sauce like go really well together. Obviously like chicken and bacon's a good combo as well. But yeah guys, I'll probably do more of these in the future. Probably just gonna wrap it up because I think I've just been chatting a load of bollocks for the whole day. But yeah, I'm gonna munch this down. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you later.